So this is lesson 3.6, and it's the second one, B. And if you look at example 4, you'll notice it's almost exactly like example 3 is. So I'm going to go ahead and skip example 4. You can look through that if you'd like. But let's jump up to rate equations. And rate equations have to do with the formula distance equals the rate times the time, or distance equals RT. So, let's look at example 5. 1 o'clock p.m. Jordan leaves her house and drives at an average speed of 50 miles per hour to her sister's house. She arrives at 4. So it took her 3 hours, right? 1 o'clock is when she left and 4 o'clock is when she got there. So how many hours was the drive to her sister's house? We already determined that. B, how many miles from her sister does Jordan live? Well, she went 50 miles per hour, and we're going to use this formula right here. We're looking for distance. Distance equals rate or speed times time, which is how long it took in hours. So the distance to her sister's house was 150 miles. So that is it for rate problems. Now let's jump to some more geometry. And we have example 6. Find the complement and supplement of 25 degrees. Now if you remember, the complement of an angle is what do I have to add to the angle they gave me to get 90 degrees? Well, they just told me that one of the angles is 25 degrees. So they're asking me to find the complement. What is the degree of this angle that gives me 90 degrees? So 90 minus the 25 that I've already been given gives me 65 degrees. The next question says find the supplement. So a supplement is a straight angle, 180 degrees. And given that is 25, so they're saying, what is this angle here? Well, it's going to be the total degree minus the degree that they gave me will give me this total one right here, which in this case is 155 degrees. So not very difficult to do that given the information to find a complementary and a supplementary angle. So that's it for lecture 3.6.